Hi everyone. Today I want to walk you through text messages and managing SMS directly through the Trak platform. Now, SMS can be managed in a couple of different ways. So, number one, you've got notifications which will go to your users via text message. That is customizable to you. Then you've got SMS that you choose to send to clients. Now, these can be managed in lots of different ways as well. So let's look at the first one. Under your name, people and users. When we are communicating within our own staff for allocation of scheduling, jobs, tasks, whatever it is that you want to notify your staff, you can choose when you're creating or managing staff how you notify them. By default, we usually give you email notifications, but you can choose to activate SMS notifications either instead or as well. When you save that detail, that means that when you get a notification, it will come as an email and as an SMS. The first thing I should note with SMS is that it is a charge. SMS is 10 cents each. Okay, so it is up to you whether or not you want to use it. It can be turned on and off at user level to suit your business needs. The next piece I want to talk about with SMS is our general SMS settings. So, number one, when it comes to our name, company settings, we've got SMS settings at the bottom. In your Trak account, when you send an SMS to a client, by default, the sender name that comes at the top of the screen will be Trak. This is really important. In Australia, the government has now put in place restrictions on being able to send a text message from your own business name. You cannot do it unless you register it. The reason that this has happened is because people are scamming people all over Australia with fake text messages. So, in your Trak account, there is a form that you can complete and submit. It goes in to the government and it registers your name. When you come back, it will notify us and we can put your business name here so that when you send a text message from the account, it will come from your main business name so the customer will see that. Okay. The second option we've got here is the ability for clients to be able to reply to an SMS. Some people do not want them to be able to reply. Some people desperately want to reply. You can choose whether or not you, by default, allow clients to respond to a text message. In the Trak platform, when you reply to a text message, it's a link. So they click on the reply here, okay, and it will pop it up. It replies it as a link and it comes back into your Trak account automatically and it will notify you at your preferred notification, whether it's email or SMS. So if you send a booking confirmation to a client and they press the reply link on the text message to say, yes, this job's ready, looking forward to seeing you, it will come back into the job and save it. And it will also notify you at your Outlook or Gmail, or whatever your notification methods are set up at a user level. You can change the message here to whatever you want for your reply. You'll notice that there's information around the size of text messaging and details. Once you've done this, you can save it and this will set up your defaults. Now, text messages can be sent on the fly from a job. You don't have to have set scripts or anything like that. So when you are on a job, you can simply click the job details, click on your SMS on the left-hand side, and you can send a text message out of the job. Pretty straightforward in the way that this works. If you've got a client phone number on the job, they will pop up as a suggestion, okay? Or you can type in any number you want, okay? When you have your number in, you can choose to type a message or you can use scripted messages that you may have created in your settings. So you might have a booking confirmation. Okay. When you have a script that is set up, not only does it drop your wording in, but it will pick up special placeholders that you've put. So in this instance, I can see it picks up my client's name. It picks up the date that this job is booked at. It picks up who is booked on the job. It picks up the address and details of the site and picks up my contact information. This is all picked up and managed from my script in the background. Okay. From here, you can send that text message out of the platform. Okay. So nice and simple in the way that that works. When you send a message out, it will save into the platform. And I can send that. Okay, so nice and simple in the way that that works. You send that text message out of the system. Okay, that text message has gone out. If you've allowed for replies and the person replies to that, the reply will come back into here as well. It'll notify you your notification methods at the top, and you'll be able to see your history of inbound and outbound text message at job level. If you are interested in managing scripts for email and text message, then they will be created under your name, templates, and script templates. This is where you can set up SMS scripts or email scripts that you can then drop into your manual emailing that you've got in the system. If you want to automate text messages out of the platform, I suggest you watch our video on setting up automations. But in the same instance, from your company settings in automations, you can create automations that will happen and trigger those text messages automatically. So you might have a booking coming up a day before that booking. You want to automatically send that text message to this particular customer with this script if the job's in a certain status or whatever it is, so that you can create a process in your business where you don't have to do any of this manually. It does it for you. Those replies and those emails and text messages will still save in the job and still have the same notifications. It's just automated the process. If you've got any questions or you have any queries in regards to email, or you've got any questions, queries in regards to text messaging or managing scripts or details, just reach out to our team at contact@trak.co, or you can look through some of the other helpful videos we've got here, or reach out to our support desk at the bottom right-hand side of your platform. We look forward to speaking with you. Thank you very much.